How to search YouTube history by specific dates. This should work on both mobile and PC, so you'll just need to open up a browser and head to your Google account. So make sure you're signed into your Google account. You can either go to youtube.com or go directly to Google and click on here and then click on Google account. Now you want to scroll down and click on data and privacy and click on YouTube history, and then scroll down and click on manage history. Now you can click on this calendar icon right here and then select a specific date. So you can click here and pick a date or a year. So for example, this year, maybe the last week or the last 2 weeks, and then click on apply. And it should bring all the searches and the history for that specific date. As you can see right here, there is 2 searches. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.